Ollie is a young man. He is 20 years old. He lives in a small village in Turkey. His house is simple. It is next to green fields and tall mountains. Every morning, Ollie wakes up at 6 o'clock. He washes his face, eats a small breakfast, and goes to work. He works on his family's farm. He feeds the chickens, gives water to the cows, and helps his father with the land. Life is quiet, but Ollie has a big dream. Ollie wants to go to Germany. He wants to find a good job and earn more money. He wants to help his family and see the world. But there is one big problem. Ollie does not speak English. He only speaks Turkish. In Germany, many people speak English. To get a good job, he needs to understand and speak English. This makes him sad. He thinks, how can I go to Germany if I don't speak English? One day, after dinner, Ollie takes his brother's phone. He opens YouTube and searches, how to learn English fast. He sees many videos. One video says, learn English in 6 months at home. The man in the video says, you don't need a teacher. You don't need to travel. You need a plan, and you need to practice every day. Ollie watches the full video. Then he watches it again. He feels excited. He says to himself, yes. I will do this. I will learn English in 6 months. That night, he takes a notebook and writes his goal. I will learn English. I will study every day. I will speak English in 6 months. The next day, Ollie starts. He listens to English stories on YouTube. He finds easy English channels. He listens while he feeds the animals. He listens while he eats. He listens when he is alone. At first, he does not understand many words. But he hears some words again and again. Hello, good morning, thank you, where, what, yes, no. He hears the sounds. His ears begin to learn the language. He doesn't stop. He listens every day for 1 or 2 hours. After 1 month, Ollie starts to speak. He is shy, but he wants to try. He stands in front of a mirror and says simple sentences. My name is Ollie. I am 20 years old. I live in a village. I want to go to Germany. He practices every day. He also downloads an app to talk with people. On the app, he meets Anna. Anna is from Poland. She also wants to learn English. They speak for 10 minutes every evening. At first, it is hard. They use short words. Sometimes they don't understand each other. But they smile, they help each other, and they try again. Ollie begins to feel happy. He can say more words now. He understands simple questions. He feels proud. In the 3rd month, Ollie starts reading. He finds simple books online. He searches for easy English stories. He finds stories about animals, families, and daily life. He reads 1 page every day. He writes new words in his notebook. He writes their meanings in Turkish. He uses a dictionary app. He also writes short sentences with each word. For example, he learns the word cold. He writes, today is cold. He learns happy. He writes, I am happy today. This helps him remember the words. Ollie also starts writing. Every night before sleep, he writes a small diary in English. It looks like this. Today I woke up at 6. I worked on the farm. I listened to one story. I talked to Anna. I learned 10 new words. I feel good. His writing is simple, but clear. He writes every day. He does not miss a day. In the 5th month, Ollie adds something new. He watches cartoons in English. He watches with subtitles. He watches Peppa Pig, Dora the Explorer, and other simple shows. He listens to how they speak. He repeats the sentences out loud. He says, "Where is the ball?" "It is under the table." "Let's go to the park." He watches for 30 minutes every night. He also uses his phone to record his voice. He talks for 1 minute and listens. He hears his own mistakes. He corrects them. This gives him more confidence. By the 6th month, Ollie feels different. He is not afraid to speak. He can understand easy English very well. He can speak slowly but clearly. He talks with Anna for 30 minutes now. He joins an online class with other learners. He meets people from India, Mexico, and Egypt. He asks questions, answers, and even makes jokes in English. He remembers the first day. He didn't know anything. Now he can speak, read, listen, and write. Not perfect, but better every day. Then one day, Ollie buys a bus ticket. He travels to Germany. It is his first time outside Turkey. At the airport, he speaks in English. He asks, "Where's gate 12? Can you help me?" "Thank you very much." In Germany, he finds a job in a hotel. He speaks English with customers. He says, "Welcome, can I help you, and enjoy your stay." His manager is happy with his English. He says, "Ollie, your English is very good. Where did you study?" Ollie smiles and says, "I studied in my village. Every day. No school, no teacher. Only a big dream and a plan." Now Ollie works in the city. He sends money to his family. He teaches his younger brother how to learn English. He says, "You don't need money. You need time. You need patience. You must practice every day. If I can do it, you can too." Ollie is proud. He learned English in 6 months. Not because he is special, but because he worked hard. He listened, read, spoke, and wrote every day. He didn't stop. And now, his dream is real.